just came a little early. Bam, there we have it. We have the Fly One carbon fiber fenders. I've been hella lagging on these. I don't know why I never bought them, but got them now. So I'm actually gonna wait to put the fenders on because since these are 12 mil over, this part actually sticks out a little bit, and I have the quick release on mine, so I already have a hole in my bumper, and I really don't want to drill and put a hole into this one because it's gonna be offset. It's not gonna like line up perfectly, so the quick release is gonna be retarded if I keep it. So I'm just gonna get a new bumper and wait to put those on. Right now, I'm gonna go take off the hood. I have a buyer for that already. I'm gonna get a new hood. Dirty. Still clean. I'm gonna take the hood off right now. I'm gonna take the bumper off right now. I'm gonna take these lights to my boys and have them redo them for me. I have new eyelids. Just trying to make it a little more clean, you know? It runs solid, so just trying to fix all the little flaws. And I knew it was gonna rain today, so it's a perfect day to work on the car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, hood's off, bumper's off. Yeah, if anybody's interested in this bumper, basically really nothing wrong with it. This side's good, it already has a quick release. Underneath, it's prepped for wrap or paint. The only thing wrong with it, I didn't have the undershroud on it, so the bumper buckled and it hit the tire. Yeah, kind of just shaved down a little bit of the bumper, but there's really nothing wrong with it. I just have OCD, so yeah, you know, shit like that bothers me. These things are not cheap. This is an OEM Nismo bumper. These are like $1,300 from the dealer, and it's pretty much the only place you can get them. So if anybody wants it, just shoot me like 500, 450, and you can take it. So slide in the DMs. Oh, that's that. Charge pipes are off, headlights are off, and yeah, the car's looking like nothing.
Fresh Kinks doesn't know how to work on his own car. Shut the fuck up.
Obviously, I'm not an engine builder. I don't specialize in building VQ series engines. Neither do you. I have no idea what we're getting into, but it's Saturday. The whips are out. His new setup looks sick as fuck. I kept telling him to do his cage yellow, and then he did his calipers yellow, and he did matte blue on the wheels. That shit looks so sick. All you need on those things is just med, tune, downpipe. That's about it. Launch boys. This shit takes off on a 20. But like a 30, 40 roll is pretty good. It's close. Dig, I don't know what happened. This shit like bogged out. I don't know what the hell happened. I might have clicked, I might have switched gears on accident because it just went into second like right away. So that was a fail. But yeah, the 20 rolls, I was getting them pretty solid. We need to get some 40 rolls in and see how that goes. So we are at the Fontana Speedway. I have like a little car event here, I think, something like that. Down over here. Go pick up the car. Sick ass food. Man, if I had the Z right now. Gas trailer. Got the race ramps. So sick. I can't wait till he takes the wrap off. That gray under is fire. But yeah, they figured the issue out. It's just a O-ring that lifted on the manifold, so it's like a 2-hour job. Back in action soon. Shit is pulling. Get made like 1,030 or something. Shit's sick. It's crazy.
That was on our rig, yeah.
This is a legit Super Trofeo kit. If you guys don't know what body kit it is, it's like legit from Lamborghini. Shit, goals. Sick ass. Got the 40 tomes. cold, bruh. 73 degrees. They're full of shit. There's no way. So that's probably gonna be that for today, guys. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, comment below, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.